What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I put a video up. I did a little vacation thing last week, if you want to call it that. But back in the swing of things. So here is NH38 build number 40, I believe. Custom lasered dragon from our good friend over at Red 5, Mr. Ron Kelly. You've got your PAM style brushed silver case here with an exhibition case back. 120 click polished coin bezel on here with a blue aluminum insert. And what I have to do with this is I have to kind of look and see where top dead center is. And then go, did I do that? Is that lined up with... Because there are no accent markers on the dial itself, which I think makes it look much more clean. But when you have a click bezel, and you can't just jump back right where you want when you accidentally bump it, or you accidentally go past it because you're like, what am I lining it up with? It does make for some exciting time spinning it back around. But I think I landed right on it. But yeah, I would just line up with this crown here. I think I had packages just dropped off. Blue anodized handset on here. You have your NH movement, so you've got your 41-hour power reserve on it. You saw your click bezel there. This is on a super, super soft Italian suede leather. And I added another hole there for you because I think your wrist and my wrist are about the same. And my buddy makes these a little bit longer, and I thought, if I wore it right here, it's still a little loose on me. So I added one here, just in case for you. Brush preview buckle on here. And you've got your sapphire glass in there with a nice little tint to it that complements your blue coloration there. So this is going out to my buddy Sean. This is his mystery watch that he won last night. Doesn't know he's getting this. I just told him I've got Kraken available, I've got an Angler available, I've got a couple different design watches, I've got a dragon, and he's like, whoa, dragon watch? I'll take it, whatever it is. So here's whatever it is, and it's pretty awesome. So congrats again, buddy. With these, wind it just like normal. It's got your rotor in the back, but if you're not going to be very active, you want to wind it just a little bit. And how you do that with these is you have to take pressure off of your crown. And see this little lever here comes in and puts that pressure on there. When you take that pressure off, it kicks it out into the wind position. Now, with these, you can't wind them too quickly because you can only give it about a third turn each time, because you are just running into your crown guard on the top and the bottom. So you're just going to wind it up a little bit just to make sure you keep time throughout the day, because if you're not moving around, you are not winding it. When you're happy with that, you're going to pull it to the one and only click, and you're going to have a little bit of fingernails, which I just removed. And there we are. You have to pull it out towards in that time setting position, so it's fully engaged, fully pulled out. And now you can set your time. It does have a hacking movement, so it's going to stop. Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 11:37 a.m.
11:37 a.m. So you're just going to utilize this around here. So long as this is aligned properly, you should be able to figure out your 37 decently, right? And there you go, sir. That is your build. As with every build, you're going to get matching beats done by the wife. This is going to come in a 3D printed silver BVW box. I believe you will be the first one to get one of these. This will come with watch cleaner, Now you have all kinds of foamer. I'm almost out of it. And since you already have 50 plus builds from me, I'm sure you have a nice stockpile yourself. So I'm going to give you some of the vintage on that, since I think I have one foamer left. So give you some of this, as well as a microfiber. And then you're going to get some leather conditioner to keep this suede perfectly soft. I don't think you'll ever need it, so you can use it on something else. You'd apply it on the front and back using something other than your microfiber, because you don't want it to dry and then rub that all over your watch when you're cleaning it. So use a rag, something like that. But some leather conditioner as well. So yeah, came back from vacation. I was like, wait a second, I'm almost out of microfibers. Well, I'm almost out of the brown microfiber, which you don't need because that's for a scratch remover. So I'm almost out of those, and so I'm almost out of foamer. I've been reaching down into the box because I was running out of space on display, and for whatever reason, not realizing I'd already used all the display stuff. So as I was getting low in the box, I'm like, all right, I'm just going to have to go to the display, and I was like, I've got nothing up there. So being out of town for a week apparently threw me way off. But there's your build, good sir. I hope you love it. And if you want me to build you something custom and unique, reach out and I'll see what I can do. And if you want to continue to see videos like this, like and subscribe, as I put them up all the time. Thanks, guys.